Next, we are going to open that down here. It's a part 2 of this disgusting creature. I don't understand why my mom likes it. It's like horror. Then we are going to open it now. She wants this one. Remember it. Or the secret? Okay. Hopefully we get one of these. Oh goodness. Okay, let's. Oh, we got something cute. I already saw it, so I can't surprise myself.
Oh,
It's a baby.
Yeah, con này đẹp.
But-
Mở ra đi xem.
Nó hôn không mà mẹ?
Có đấy, nó là cái gì đấy?
Mẹ, nó bưa không? Nó bưa không mà mẹ?
Không,
Con này bưa không?
không. Nâng
Này, con này bưa là trong phim.
nâng vô mẹ.
À, trong phim nó hua không? Cái phim hua gì đấy? Okay, we got. Oh, it's so scary. It looks like. I need to see. Wait a minute. It's not that cute. It's like creepy, but she's like, "Aw, it's sleeping." But then it looks like you like in the night. They're like looking at you.
Còn một con nữa.
It's not. Ain't no for me. God. Ain't no for me. No. This is cute.
Cho nằm cạnh đi.
Okay, good. This is creepy. I don't understand it, why my mom likes it. But we're going to put this